Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Southern Vista on EM bypass, Southern bypass, and you can see this is the actual model bungalow just in front of this EM bypass. So this is the private lawn of this project, and this is the internal roads, and you can see the exterior of this model bungalow. So let's see a model bungalow. So we are going inside the model bungalow number 4. So on entry you can see this is the car parking space over here, and see with cover over this portion, and from this portion you can see this is the entry lobby. Approximately 70 square feet space is dedicated over this lobby. So this is the lobby space with the garden, and this is the main entry door, and this is the video door phone over here. And just to mention you, this is the living cum dining hall. Excellent space and utilization of maximum carpet area, and we are entering into the living hall. So this is the living space, smartly crafted. And just to mention you that we are giving the ceiling height of 10.6 feet clearance, and all the door heights will be 8 feet long. From this side you can see this is the entry door, and just beside this entry you can see this is the separate sitting area. You can make a library room over here, and just beside that this is the first bedroom. Beside that this is the kitchen, and this is the dining hall. The approximate size of this dining hall is 14 feet by 12 feet. It's a luxurious dining hall, and just beside this dining hall this is the common toilet space. So come inside the common toilet. Separate shower space, and see the tile selection also. Excellently selected tiles. And now come this side. So this side will be your kitchen space. Parallel platform will be given from this side and that side. Luxurious kitchen with chimney hub space, and see the tile selection again. And this is the granite basin space, and this side will be your washing machine point, and refrigerator point will be over here. And this is the private lawn space, and see the lawn space from here. This is the private lawn space. Approximately the space is around 180 square feet private lawn space. And now come inside again. So now we are going towards the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom entry. Wooden tiles will be given, and from this first bedroom you can see the space. It's a running wardrobe space, And with this bedroom you will be having a big door space attached with this private lawn. And again come this side. We are going upstairs now. So see the staircase area. The width of this staircase is 4.2 feet. So we are going upstairs. From here you can see the beauty of the dining space, and from here also you can see the space above the staircase. This is another hall space. So moving towards the hall space, you can see. So this is the hall space with big size window and a TV unit space. There is a sit out area, and just beside this sit out area, this is the second bedroom, second master bedroom, you can see. So we are entering into the second master bedroom, and see the size of this bedroom. Excellently decorated space with this attached toilet. And this side you will be having a running wardrobe space. So this is the running wardrobe space. And now come outside. So this is the private terrace area with sit out space. And this side you will be having terracotta style structure for cross ventilation. And not only that, see the height of this terrace. The height of this terrace is 16 feet long. And now come this side. So we are moving towards the third bedroom now. So again sit out area, and just behind that you can see this is the third bedroom or second master bedroom. So see the space of this third bedroom. Excellently decorated sit out area. And just see, this is another running wardrobe space, running cupboard space, huge space. From here you can see. And with this you will be having attached toilet like this one with wall mount commode, and all luxury fittings will be given. And from here you can see the bedroom space, and there is another sit out area over here. Excellent concept. So now come, we are going towards the terrace area. So now come outside the terrace area. So this is the terrace space, and this side will be another washroom. This is the fourth washroom of this bungalow, and there will be a divider wall to separate this bungalow from the next bungalow. The divider wall will be 10 feet height. And now see, this is the bypass Our project is located on EM bypass, and this side you can have a personal terrace space. This is another personal lawn space, and this is your private area. You can decorate flowers and gardens over here. And this is the divider wall again. This will be up to 5 feet height to separate it from next bungalow. So it's a row bungalow concept. So hope you like this, and not only that, you can see the total land area of this project. So this is the total land area. We are having total 138 number of units, row houses over here, and as you can see, it's newly launched. We are already taken construction in full swing. You can see these constructions are all within the project boundary. All row bungalows are under construction. You can see that row bungalow also. These are also under constructions. This total land area is under 6 acres. So this will be our main road. This will connect up to the end. So hope you like this. Please call us for further details. So we are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.